If you get this message on your Audi screen and don't know what to do, I'll show you how to change the battery of your key fob. There's two pins here and here. You need to push them in at the same time and pull, and then you get the key out. So this one, with this one you can open the doors. You cannot start the car though, as far as I know. So then you see here left and right are two more tabs. See, if you squeeze them in, you can pull out this little tray. There we go. See, and it goes in this way. It's the plus side fits into this groove. It has to be a CR2032, and that's it. You replace it, push it back in till it snaps, and then you put the key back in. That's it. This is how you change the battery on an Audi key fob. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.